Hey guys, next up in our intermediate parts mini series, we're going to be looking at part 21 from our flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, so we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. And now part 21 is a shape we have not covered before, not even in our basic one. So this is going to be the first time we get introduced to this shape. Now it is ultimately a combination of two different rectangles. And the nice thing about this part, if I go to it, go to P21, is that we can set each rectangle individually, which is pretty nice. So if we go here to the preview, we can see we can set the height of the top one, you can say, and the width, and the bottom one you can also set the width and the height. So let's just add in some values here. I'm going to make the height, let's say about 200, and make its width, which will be C. Let's make this about, I'll get a skinny long thing to about 20. In the bottom one I'm going to make 100, and I'm going to make it a bit broader, so maybe about, let's go about 50. Let's leave the part name the same and then say okay. See, as you see, we've got a nice little L there for I don't know. I'm not gonna use that joke in any case. So we go manual quantity, make this 1, say add, and then let's quickly add it to our canvas. Here we go. Now we've got a nice little L there. I'm gonna start filling up this space in case we run out of space later on. So yeah, once again, obviously it does not have to be an L like I made it. You can make this obviously according to what you need it for. But yeah, that is it on part 21. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.